Hi guys, welcome back to Time with Yeye, and today we're going to read Little Raindrop. When I was a raindrop, I lived up in a cloud. One day, thunder rumbled and boomed out very loud. Come now, little raindrops, get ready to let go. You've got important work down in the world below. A flash of zigzag lightning streaked across the sky. Ooh, cried all the little raindrops. See you later, cloud. Goodbye. They jumped up into the air, and I jumped with them too. I wish that I could come along with you. Down and down we fell, giggling, shouting, whee! Oh, what fun to be a raindrop, laughing with glee. From high up in the sky, we saw the earth below. Sunbeams shone through us and made a lovely rainbow. After that, quite suddenly, I landed with a splat and dribbled down the tail of a soggy farmyard's cat. I swept into the soil, trickling down and down, past pink wiggly worms far below the ground. I was a friendly mole who was digging by some roots. Before I knew it, I'd been sucked up into their roots. I travelled slowly up the stem. It was quite a climb. Hello, smiled the flower bud. You're here just in time. This way, the flower told me, and then it opened wide. What a nice surprise to see my raindrop friends inside. We had so much fun sharing stories of our day as the warm sun slowly set and the light faded away. We tried to count stars instead of counting sheep, but the petals were so comfy that we all fell fast asleep. When the morning came, the sun shone hot and bright. We all felt quite peculiar, sort of wibbly and light. Slowly we drifted upwards. There was no way to resist, for I and my little raindrop friends had turned into a mist. What's happening? I asked, floating higher with the crowd. The others laughed and said, we're going back into our cloud. Welcome back, said Cloud. I hope you all had fun. It's time for you to rest now. There's lots of sun. And soon the wind will blow again and turn the weather vain. And you will have more adventures next time it starts to rain. Hope you enjoyed today's reading. Please subscribe, like my video. Have a brilliant week. Love ya. Bye. Thanks for watching Time with Yeye.